With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The given question is, the major product of the following reaction is. So this is the given reaction, and this reactant, when it is treated with OHCCH2COCl first, and then later it is treated with H2SO4 and heated, we are going to get the final product. So we have to find the major product. So let us complete this reaction first. So this is the given reactant, that is, to a benzene ring, hydroxyl group is attached and methoxy group is attached. And when it is treated with C double bond OH CH2 COCl, what happens? The nucleophile will attack on electron deficient carbon atom here. In this given reagent, we can see two carbonyl centers are present. So in carbonyl group, what happens? Oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. So it will acquire partial negative charge, whereas carbonyl carbon will acquire partial positive charge. As we are seeing here, two carbonyl groups are present. Which one will be more electropositive? So if we look at this carbonyl center, what happens? This carbon is bonded to one hydrogen, and from this side it is bonded to CH2 group. And coming to this carbonyl carbon, it is bonded to Cl and CH2 group. So as this carbonyl center is bonded to one Cl, that is more electronegative element, it will acquire a greater positive character than this carbonyl carbon. So nucleophile will attack on this electron deficient carbonyl carbon. Now to this benzene ring, two substituents are present, right? One is hydroxyl, another one is methoxy group. So among these, which one will act as nucleophile? So if we look at methoxy group, conjugate acid of methoxy group will be MEOH, that is methanol or an alcohol. And conjugate acid of OH will be H2O. So among alcohol and water, alcohol is more acidic than water. So conjugate base of a weak acid will be a strong base, and conjugate base of a strong acid will be a weak base. So here hydroxyl, oxygen will donate its electrons. So lone pair of electrons on oxygen will now attack on this electron deficient carbonyl carbon, and we will get, and we are going to get the carbon double bond oxygen Cl and CH2C double bond OH. So now here what happens? Oxygen will acquire a positive charge. So why oxygen is acquiring positive charge? Because it is losing its lone pair of electrons, and therefore it will acquire a positive charge. As it is acquiring positive charge, it will be more unstable, and due to instability, what happens? It will abstract the bond pair of electrons between oxygen and hydrogen, and proton will be eliminated. And from this side, this carbon is having 5 bonds, right? So this is also unstable, and Cl will leave as a better living group, so it will be eliminated as Cl minus. So in this step, what happens? Elimination of HCl takes place, and we will get, so this is the compound we are going to get. So when this compound is treated with sulfuric acid, what happens? H plus. So lone pair of electrons on oxygen will attack on this electron deficient proton, and we are going to get, so a oxonium ion will be formed. And this, what it does, this oxonium ion, oxygen which has acquired a positive charge, due to its instability, it will abstract the bond pair of electrons between carbon and oxygen. And as a result, a carbocation will be generated. So as carbocation is generated, this electron rich center will attack on this carbocation, and we are going to get, so as this double bond breaks and it bonds with electron deficient carbon, what happens? A carbocation will be generated adjacent to this carbon. So here we can see the carbocation formation on benzene ring. So as again a carbocation is been formed, this hydrogen will donate its electron to electron deficient carbon and will be eliminated as H plus ion. So elimination of proton takes place. A proton will be eliminated, and when this is heated, when this compound is heated, what happens? A water molecule will be eliminated. So after the elimination of OH group, what happens? Again a carbocation will be generated, and so hydrogen from adjacent carbon will donate its electron, and water molecule will also be eliminated. and the final product will be, this is the final product we are going to get. So now let us check with which option this compound is going to match. We can say it matches with option B. So option B is the major product and it is the correct answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.